Hello, good morning children. My dear children, today I am going to teach you past perfect, the active and passive voice of past perfect. So firstly you should know the structure of past perfect. Here subject plus had plus third form. It means past participle plus object plus other words. This is the structure of the past perfect in active voice. Now you see how you change in the passive voice. Subject plus had been plus V3 or past participle plus by or any other preposition plus object plus other words. So we are using here third form in both cases. You should remember whether this is in the active voice or passive voice. So past participle will be used in both, and in case of passive voice, had been in place of had, there will be had been, that we have to use. Now you see the example of assertive sentence. For example, in active voice, how you see, she had purchased a car. So this is active voice, she had purchased a car. So how will you change here in passive voice? A car had been purchased by her. So a car had been purchased by her. So what we have done here, had changed to had been, and purchased. So third form we are using here. Now you see, my mother had prepared food. So in case of passive voice, food had been prepared by my mother. So this is very easy that you can understand. Now you see, my father had written a book. So how will you do here? This is the object. A book had been written by my father. So object becomes subjects here. And my friend, this is negative sentence. Earlier I have told you affirmative sentences. Now this is negative sentences. This is negative sentence. How to change? These are all affirmative sentences. First, second, third. These are all affirmative sentence. Now negative sentence. My friend had not sent me. My friend had not sent me money. So how will you do? Money had not been sent to me by my friend. Money had not been sent to me by my friend. Or you can say I had not been sent money by my friend. Because there are two objects here, both me and money. That's why we have changed like this. I had not been sent money by my friend, or money had not been sent to me by my friend. Both ways. Now you see interrogative sentences. Examples of interrogative sentences. Who had killed the tiger? So how you change? Who changes into by whom? By whom had the tiger been killed? Now you see, whom have you called there? So when whom is there, you have to change it into who here. So who had been called by you there? Who had been called by you there? Now you see, had you completed your project work? Had you completed your project work? So how will you change? Had your project work been completed by you? Now you see the next sentence. Had you seen my friend there? How will you change? Had my friend been seen by you there? So like that you can change. Had my friend been seen by you there? See, saw, seen, third form. So my children, this is very easy to change. Only had been will be used here. And in all the perfect form, whether this is present perfect, past perfect or future perfect, we'll use been here. B-E-E-N, been. Firstly, in present perfect, have been, has been. In past perfect, had been. And in future perfect, will have been or shall have been. Like that we have to change. Basic things that we have to understand. Thank you children. I think you must have understood it. And I'll teach you next simple future in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.